Muravardhanake, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Vani Sugar Government First Aid College, Area. Now talking about future value. Future value refers to the value of asset or cash at a particular date in the future, which is equivalent to the value of a specified sum at present. Future value grows into the future value by the action of compound interest. This relationship can be turned the other way, and we can say that the future value can be discounted back to its equivalent present value. The relation between future value and present value is fundamental to be measurement of time value of money. So let us now talking about meaning of future value. The value refers to the an asset or cash at a particular date in the future, which is equivalent to the value of a specified sum of interest. Specified sum of at present. The future value can also be explained as the amount of money which will be reached by the present investment as a result of its growth in the future. As money futures, the time value, the future value is obviously expected to be higher than the present value. Future value is the value of an asset at a specific date which measures the nominal future sum of money wherein the sum of money is worth at a specified time in the future, assuming a certain interest rate or more rate of return. It is the present value multiplied by the accumulation function. The value do not include correction for inflation or other factors that affect the true value of money in the future. This is used in time value of money calculation. So, in order to calculate the future value, the following formula can be adopted. Formula for future value: FV equals PV into 1 plus R to the power of N. Here, FV means or equals future value, PV equals present value, R equals rate of interest, N equals number of years. The formula will be FV equals PV 1 PV into 1 plus R to the power of N. X invest rupees 1000 for 3 years in a saving account that pays rupees 10% interest per annum. Calculate the future value. So, in order to calculation of future value of rupees 1000 kept in saving account that pays 10% interest per annum for 3 years, so that calculation of future value, the formula will be PV equals 1 plus PV FV equals FV equals FV equals PV plus PV into 1 plus R to the power of n. Here FV equals future value, PV equals present value amount invest 1000, R equals 10%, number of years equals 3 years. X invest rupees 1000 for 3 years in a saving account that pays 10% interest per annum or per year. So here 1000 present value, and then future value should be calculated. Future value equals PV into 1 plus R to the power of n. Now you are going to be simplified. FV equals, you are going to be find out, FE equals PV, present value of rupees how much, 1000, into 1 plus R nothing but the rate of interest. Rate of interest 10 by 100 equals 0.1. 1000 into 1 plus 0.1 to the power of 3 equals 1000 to present value. 1.1 to the power of 3 equals 331. So 1000 rupees present value, 331 interest should be adding together. We get what? Future value of rupees 1000 kept in a saving account at 10% for 1 year. The future value will be 1331. Another one more formula will be, problem will be 1600. Find out the future value of rupees 1600 received after 2 years at 10% preference rate. 10% time preference rate, and then nothing but time interest rate. Find out the future value of rupees 1600 received after 2 years at 10% time. So in order to calculation of future value, the following formula can be adopted. Future value equals present value into 1 plus R to the power of n. Here FV equals future value, PV, what much amount you are kept in a saving account, that is 1600, rate of interest 10%, n, how much years we kept bank account, 1600 kept in a saving account for 2 years, n equals number of years. So where FE equals to question mark, we are going to be find out PV, present value, equals given in the problem 1600, R equals 10%, 10% divided by 100 equals, or 10% equals 0.10. 10% nothing but 10 by 100 equals 0.10. The n equals 2 years. Number of years will be 2 year will be given. So FV equals 1600 into 1 plus or nothing but 10% or 0.10 to the power of 2. Simplified, 1600 into 1.1 whole square equals, or to the power of 2 equals 1600 into 1.21. So 1600 into 1.21 equals 1936. So present value will be 1600 kept for 2 years at the rate of interest 10%. The future value will be 1936. So now we can come to conclusion. So 1600 is the principal amount or present value, but interest earned nearly 336. So let us now discussing one more another formula, calculation of time value of money. So first calculate the future value of rupees 20,000 deposited into bank for a period of 5 years at 12% per annum, given 1.12 to the power of 5 equals 1.762 table will be given. So here interest rate or table will be given, just merely only present value, whatever the table will be given, we can multiplying these two, we get what? Future value. So calculation of future value, the following formula will be future value equals present value plus 1 plus r to the power of n. FE equals 20,000 into 1 plus 0.12 to the power of how much year? 5 years equals 20,000 into 1.1 to the power of 5. So 1.1 to the power of 5, no need of multiplying, directly table will be given. Whatever the directly table will be given, so what about principal amount and table should be multiplying, we get what? Future value, that is 20,000 into 1.762. It is come with the help of 1.12 to the power of 5 and multiplying, we get how much? 1.62. So totally future value will be 35,247. So 35,247 for 5 years, how much will be deposited? So 20,000 will be deposited. What about interest earned? So 15,247 for 5 years at the rate of 12% per annum. These are the way we are going to calculate the future value. Sometime the table cannot be given. At the moment, we can use the formula FV equals PV into 1 plus R to the power of n. When the discount rate, interest rate table is given, that is 1.1 to the power of 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, etc. is given. No need of calculate. So just table and principal amount can be multiplying. We get what? Total future value. So we can use a table given. We can use FV equals PV into 1 plus or to the power of n. So 1 is common. So 12% nothing but 0.12 to the power of number of years 5. 20,000 into 1.1 to the power of 5 equals 35,247, or other words 20,000 into whatever the table is given 1.762, we can multiply and we get what? Future value.